In this video, we'll go over the various functions of the digital position readout, primarily called the DRO. Starting from the bottom, we have the power button. To start using the DRO, press either of the reset buttons and it'll display the incremental position of the cutting bit. There are two types of position, absolute and incremental. This light indicates the DRO is displaying the diameter in the x-axis, and it should always be on. We never need to measure the diameter in the z-axis, so this light should always be off. If either of these are different, contact the shop manager before using the lathe. To set an incremental 0 in either the x or z-axis, simply press the reset button for the desired axis. To change either the absolute or incremental position in a given axis, you start with the same step. Press the button of the axis you want to change, and then input your desired value. From here, if you press the datum button, you will set the absolute position on that axis. If you press the position button, you will set the incremental position on that axis. You can also use this button to switch between the absolute and incremental positions. These three blue buttons along with the tool button are the only ones you'll really use, so don't worry about any of the others. If you are using multiple tools, you'll press the tool button and then change the number to switch to your other tool where you can adjust its position. You'll also want to set your first tool's position as the absolutes, so only use incremental values for your other tools. This poorly designed light down here displays your units, and you simply press this button to switch your units. Always check this before you start machining, since it can be hard to see, and using the wrong units can ruin your work. For an in-depth guide on zeroing the DRO to your part, click on the annotation or the link in the description below.